Here we are learning about sample covariance. And as you see in this formula, sample covariance is calculated as x minus x bar, y minus y bar. These two values are multiplied and we take a sum of that. And then this is divided by n minus 1. N is number of pairs of observation. For example, here we have compared advertisement and the sales, and there are 10 observations here, so n minus 1 would mean 9 here, right? So let us calculate. In the previous video tutorial we learned how to compute x minus x bar, which is given in column C, and then we computed y minus y bar, which is in column D, and then we multiplied x minus x bar with y minus y bar, which is given in column E. Now after that we also did the sum of all the values from cell E2 to E11, which gave us the summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So this 99 is numerator of this formula, and denominator this times is n minus 1. So since there are 10 pairs of observation, therefore the n minus 1 would be 9. So sample covariance according to our calculation is going to be this number in cell E12, which is 99, divided by 9. 9 because 10 minus 1 according to the formula. And let us click enter here, and we got 11 as the sample covariance. So for this set of two variables, sample covariance is computed at 11 according to our calculation. Now let us use Excel to compute the sample covariance and see whether we get the same results or there is some difference. Let us see. Go to formulas, more functions, again statistics, insert function. Let us type covariance one more time and click go, and this time we are selecting covariance.s, and the help here tells us that it returns the sample covariance. Click OK, and here it is asking us that since it is a covariance and we are studying the association between two variables, so we need to put values from two arrays. Array 1 for us is advertisements, these 10 cells from A2 to A11, and the second variable for us is sales, so the values are from B2 to B11. So we have selected it and we clicked OK, and here we are 11. So this is the same value that we got. So it means when Excel uses sample covariance function, it uses in denominator n minus 1. And if we go to help here, in recently used function we still have covariance.s, and if we click help on this function, we see that if you are connected to internet, you will see this website support.office, where it tells us the formula used in this. So if you scroll down, and even it tells us the argument must either be numbers or names. So array 1 and array 2 data has to be supplied, but it does not give us the formula of computing sample covariance. It is very interesting. The help does not give us the formula, but we know, let me close it, but we know that when we calculated it, we used n minus 1 in denominator and got 11 value. Excel also got 11 value. So Excel must be using this formula, summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar in numerator, and in denominator it is n minus 1. So it is interesting to know that Excel still follows this tradition that when it computes population covariance, which we did in previous video tutorial, then denominator is n, and when it computes a sample covariance, then the denominator is n minus 1. Thank you.